How do? Well, it is finished. Woohoo! Nice. So here we are, one custom bass 6-ish inspired bass guitar. And I have come to the conclusion it is in fact a bass guitar with 6 strings, and those strings are tuned E to E as a standard guitar, but these low notes, that is definitely bass guitar levels of low E. Not bad for an old church pew, is it? So we have the original cross that was in the end of that church pew that this has come from, still in there with all the burns and the pyrography and the inlays. I've quite enjoyed this build. It's been really rather special. And this is going to be played in a worship setting up in Scotland, I believe. And I can't wait for it to get played and to start blessing other people. But I suppose you want to know what it actually sounds like, don't you? Well, I'm going to show you in a second. First off, those thoughts about whether it's a guitar or a bass. You can put this through a bass amp, play those low notes, individual, and it will sound like a bass guitar. It's very, very lush. You play some of the higher notes, get up here on the fret, and you can get some really nice Strat-like guitar sounds coming out of it. I dare say if you play some of the chords down here that involve these top 2 strings, so your G's and C's, that kind of thing, they might start sounding a little bit muddy, I think, in the mix, but maybe play those as bass notes instead. Certainly your kind of D chords and then starting to do some of the bar chords getting further up here, really nice guitar sounds that you can get out of it. So if you know your chord shapes, I think this could be the instrument for you. But without further ado, here's a few sounds I recorded earlier. Forgive me. As you can hear, even with my poor playing, we can definitely get a rack of different sounds coming out of this instrument. This is now finished. However, there's a bonus video coming your way very, very soon because I'm making a custom case for this. Because it's a 30-inch scale guitar, it doesn't really fit in any normal case. So we're building something custom, and we're building something a little bit special as well. So make sure you click the subscribe button, like this, share it, do everything, get some merch, support this worship series because it's fabulous. And until next time, take care. I'll see you soon. God bless.